Hey Pranav, you know that after the COVID pandemic, many doctors have proven that 2020 to 2030 could be a decade full of viruses. And there will be viruses deadly than COVID-19, and the doctors would not be able to go to the patients in order to treat them.
So how would the patients be treated? Do not worry, I present you the curative board.
Good morning, I'm Yash.
I am Minang. And I am Praful, and we present the Curo Robot Nurse. Alexa, tell us about yourself.
Good morning. I am Curo, a robot nurse who can assist doctors by checking into the condition of the patient and in suggesting medicines for the same.
Let us know about its mechanics. Alexa, tell us about your mechanics.
I have two DC motors for my hands and I am having four solar motors connected on my chassis that helps me move. I also consist of a surround sound Dolby Atmos enabled speaker, and as for my eyes I am having LED dot matrix.
Thank you, Kuro. Now let us know about its working.
It has 4 DC motors connected to its chassis for movement and 2 DC motors connected to its hand. The basic idea is that the robot can assess the temperature, blood oxygen level, and the heartbeat rate of the patients. In order to do that, the first hand will go up and wait for 7 seconds, thus assessing the temperature of the patient. Then the second hand will go up and wait for 7 seconds, again, thus assessing the heartbeat rate and the blood oxygen level of the patient. It also has an inbuilt calling feature so that the doctor and the patient can connect with each other.
Now let us see its movement. Now let us take a demo.
Alexa, how is my patient?
Patient is having high fever of 102 degrees Fahrenheit. He should take paracetamol and rest for 2 days.
We are sure
That this invention will revolutionize the healthcare industry.